Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Spandex Training Academy here in Italy, Bologna. And today we're gonna have an open day and we're gonna talk about GSWF product range as well, where we are expecting to have more than 50 guests. Yeah, they're gonna be huge. So let's start it. So first part presentation is finished. Now everyone have a short break. Then we're gonna start with demo. Car ready? We have Audi, we have a Fiat. So soon we're gonna have some fun. So open day here at Spandex Academy in Italy is over. It was such a pleasure to meet so many amazing people. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time. Bye.